Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of economics to explore a fundamental concept, the law of demand. Whether you are a seasoned economist or just starting to learn about economics, this video will provide you with a clear understanding of what the law of demand is and how it influences our daily lives. So let's jump right in. Definition of law of demand. To put it simply, the law of demand states that all else being equal, when the price of a good or service decreases, the quantity demanded for that good or service increases. Conversely, when the price of a good or service increases, the quantity demanded for that good or service decreases. Inverse relationship. The key point to remember here is the inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. As the price goes down, people are more willing and able to purchase the item, resulting in a higher quantity demanded. On the other hand, as the price goes up, the demand tends to decrease because fewer people are willing to pay the higher price. Let's see the graph of law of demand. In this graph, the x-axis represents quantity demanded for a particular commodity and y-axis represents the price of that commodity. As we can see from the graph, if quantity demanded increases from Q1 to Q2, its price decreases from P1 to P2 and vice versa too. If prices increases from P2 to P1, quantity demand decreases from Q2 to Q1. This makes the curve downward sloping, shows that inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded of a particular commodity. Factor influencing demand. Several factors influence the demand for a product beyond just its price. These include consumer income, the price of related goods, substitutes and complements, consumer preferences, and population changes. For example, if the price of butter increases, people might switch to margarine, a substitute, leading to a decrease in demand for butter. Real world example. Let's consider a real world example. Imagine the latest smartphone has just been released and the initial price is quite high. Only a limited number of early adopters might be willing to pay that price. However, as time goes on and the price drops, more and more people find the product affordable and are willing to buy it. This shift in a consumer behaviors demonstrates the law of demand in action. Exception to the law of demand. While the law of demand holds true in most cases, there are exceptions. Some luxury goods, known as Veblen goods, actually see an increase in demand as their price rises. This is because consumers perceive higher prices as a sign of prestige and exclusivity. Conclusion. In conclusion, the law of demand is a foundational principle in economics that helps us understand how changes in price affect consumer behavior. As price decrease, the quantity demanded rises, and as price increase, the quantity demanded falls. Keep in mind that other factors can influence demand as well. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time.